Hey guys, welcome back to a quick inform video. In today's video, we're talking about a new Samsung Galaxy. A lot of people actually don't even really know that this phone is really coming out unless you kind of in the cell phone industry or you go to a store and tell you. And apologize if I do sound like a robot. I am a little sick right now, so bear with me guys, but I like to share these news with you. So let's get into it guys. So it's going to be a fast video. This is the Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge. I honestly didn't even know this phone was coming out, but it kind of makes sense once you read into it. So we'll look at the specs and the promos that Boost Mobile has. This is, of course, on boostmobile.com. Does use AT&T and some of T-Mobile network, and they also have their own network. And I really do sound nasally, so I apologize. But let's get into it, guys. This is the S25 Edge. And this is basically a slimmer version of all the other phones, which makes sense because there are rumors that iPhone will be launching same thing, 17, I think Lite or something like that. Basically a skinny version of iPhone as well. But it looks like Galaxy kind of beat them to it. So Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge. Of course, the Edge, the old ones did have, well, they did have an edge. Sorry, I had to clear my throat. Okay, so finish. This is titanium silver right here, guys. As you can see, it looks like a regular Galaxy. Just has 2 cameras. So, and for the price, honestly, for me, I think I would get the Ultra. Honestly, for an extra $200 more, you can get the Ultra. So I don't know why you would honestly buy this phone unless you want a slimmer phone because it is pretty slim. But let's get into it, guys. Like I said, you can get this phone at $0 a month with their Edge Up program. So this is 256 gigabytes, only come in one color. You can get insurance for $15 a month. Keep your number or get a new number. Let's just say new number. Here's a special deal. Special deal is every year you can upgrade with a $65 a month plan. You can get the Galaxy basically forever plan, what it's called, or the Edge Up. So basically every year you can get a new Galaxy as long as the phone's in working condition. It is $30.56 a month if you finance for 36 months. If not, the phone is $1,100, guys. This ships by the 27th of May. But like I said, you can do this program. They do soft credit check. Basically what it is a $30.56 credit, and they pay that every month for you. You're just paying. You have to be on the $65 plan, I believe is what it is. Yep. So you cannot change the plan. If not, you can lose your promotion. So just know that. So let's look at some of the Edge features. Of course, it does have AI. It is slim. That's the biggest thing that they're going to be advertising. Super slim, super light. Like I said, they're advertising a slim, light phone. Delightful details. It says it supports a 200 megapixel camera, so it does have the same camera as the Ultra, at least the main 200 megapixel one. Our highest resolution available, so you can capture every moment in stunning clarity and detail. Power up every play, so it does have a really strong processor. It is an 8 Elite for Galaxy, which is really good. Same processor, I believe, that's in the Ultra. It says get the shot you meant to take. It says let best face with AI does capture the best face. So if there's, it depends if one's opening their eyes or whatever, it'll capture the best one, and then put it all together, which is pretty good. It says grab photos of me wearing a hat in Greece. So basically, you can ask in your photo gallery, you can ask Google, find, like I said right here, me wearing a hat in Greece, and it'll go ahead and look, which iPhone can do already, but it's nice to have. It is titanium built with Corning Gorilla Glass ceramic too, so it is very strong and light. Of course, they do come. There's the competition here. You can kind of compare them. Of course, the thickness is 5.8, which is way thinner than the other ones. There's the Ultra that you're going to be basically comparing it. 6.7 inch, 6.9, 5.8 versus 8.2. Camera quality, of course, is going to be the same. Super fast charging. Of course, the Ultra will charge a lot faster, but still 50% in 30 minutes is not bad. And then built-in S Pen only the Ultra gets it. Of course, you do have the digital wallet, which is good. Of course, you can transfer your information via Samsung SmartSwitch, which all Samsungs can do that, at least the newer ones. And here's a little bit more specs for you guys. But memory, they do come in 128 or 256. Boost Mobile is offering you 256. 3,900 milliamp battery. Supports 25 watt super fast charging. So the battery is a little bit smaller on the Ultra, I believe. It's like 5,000. So good processor. It is light. So the main selling point on this phone also is going to be the light, how light it is and thin. So like I said, it's going to be a quick video, guys, just show you what's out there, what's coming out. So yeah, and sorry if I sound nasally, like I said, that's just for me being sick. So hopefully I get better, right? Thank you so much, guys. Please comment, rate, subscribe, more videos your way. If you want to support the channel, check out the description below. There's a couple ways you can support it. If you want a really good screen protector, I do have a link in the description below to one of the supporters of the channel, so check them out. I installed it as well, super easy, and I'll definitely buy more from them. But other ways to support the channel in the description below. Take care.